Hey guys, welcome back to the Rockford YouTube channel. For this video, we're going to take a look at a little soap dispenser that mounts to your kitchen, or I guess bathroom sink. Been seeing a ton of these on Amazon lately, and I thought it was a pretty neat idea. So it would mount right here on your sink. Got the little pumper there. This particular one comes with a bottle, and you can see the straw going down to the bottom of it. Other designs will have just the tube going down to a jug of your own making, like a gallon thing of soap or whatever. The neat thing about this is you don't have to unscrew and take off this bottle to fill it. You can just pull the top off and fill it right from the top. So I want to get this thing installed and see how it works. I'll leave a link down below to the particular one in this video that I purchased. So I'm going to mount this one right where this little water filter is. 10 years living in this house, I've never used it once. So I figured let's just get rid of the damn thing. And that'll make it nice and easy to replace it with this guy. If you don't already have a hole in your sink, if you have something as simple as a drill bit, we have a nice little flange on this thing. Your hole doesn't have to be perfect. No one's ever going to see it. But if you have a metal cutting hole saw, that would be an easier option. Got the old one out, but we got a little bit of a mess there, so while it's off, we'll clean it up a little bit. My trusty drill brush. Well, I'd say the drill brush cleaned that up pretty good. And actually right now, that dailydeal.com has these things really cheap. I'll try to remember to link that down below too. Oh, we just gotta drop this guy in there. If you're gonna be cutting your own hole, it's 1 1/8 inches. This thing all unthreaded. So you can see on the pump side we have a little rubber seal there. Stick that through there. Then we have another rubber seal in the nut. Alright, up underneath you can see we got the nut on, threaded our bottle on, we got the straw in there. All we have to do is fill it up. You'll notice up top here, we're just barely over the edge of the sink. So if you're going to be cutting your own hole, you might want to make it a little bit closer, but the hole was already there. So one of the rules of life, you go where the hole is. See, we learned a lesson here. Be careful not to overfill it, because we're going to have a little bit of a mess here now. You learn things every day. We'll see how well it holds up over time. I like it better than what was there before anyway. At least this is useful for me. Anytime I need a little squirt, bam, it's there for you. Thanks for watching, guys. Give the video a like. Subscribe for a nice subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.